welcome to Capsaway CRM. Today we will learn about how to change the main menu items on our own, how to customize that as per our requirement. Now if you see, there is a knowledge base available, articles and groups. Similarly, in utilities there are many options available. Similarly, there are task, sales, expenses. Now suppose in your company you are not using the word leads, but you are using the word as prospects, suppose. So you can change this name also from leads to prospects. How do we do that? We'll see that. Similarly, there are multiple sections available, and if you want to see that ticket pipe is more important for you, which is should be readily available, then you can bring this ticket price log, ticket pipe log in the main section also, instead of having in the drop down. Similarly, in the report section, there are timesheet available, timesheet overview. Now, if you want to see timesheet on a daily basis, and it is very important, then you can bring the timesheet also in the main slide. How do we do that? We'll see that. Go to setup, go to menu setup, go to main menu. Now, all those things are available here: dashboard, customers, leads, task, sales. Now, if you task, these were the drop downs available: proposal, estimates, invoices, payments. Now, if you want to save this invoices in the main section, you can bring that. How to do that? We'll see that. Now, we just now discussed about the timesheet first, so we'll see the timesheet. So this was the timesheet overview. We want to see in the main section how to do that. We'll just say, we'll just bring it down and keep it here. So now it has come to the main section. Now suppose you want to change the, because it is little longer, you want to change to single timesheet only, you can do that also. So go to this setting icon. Now you just change the wordings. Timesheet. Now if you want to see, put some icon, you can put some icon. Now if because it is time, so let us say related to time, what are the options available? So these are the options available. Timesheet. These are not good, then maybe calendar options. Okay, now we take suppose this is the timesheet. So we took this particular icon and let us say save. So now this timesheet menu will appear in the main section. So it is appearing here with the timesheet logo also. If you click timesheet, directly everything will be visible on the timesheet, related timesheet. If you want to see this particular month log, it will show you these are the time, or maybe last month. Okay, there is nothing actually. So now the timesheet menu has come. Now we'll see, suppose you want to change the leads name. The same process, go to setup, go to main menu and go to leads and change the name. Leads, go to setting, it takes little time. So leads, and now change the name to prospects, and we keep the icon same as what was earlier there. So now we save the menu. So now this prospects will come here in the main, instead of name now it is changed to prospects. So because you are using in your company prospects. Similarly, if you want to, if you are using some other name, you can change the name. Suppose similarly sales you are not using, or task you are not using the word, you can change those names. And one more thing, if you don't want this expenses or contract, because contract is not part of things, you can just remove that also. So if you go to contract and let us say inactive, so you bring that contract to inactive. So now this will disappear from here, contract, and let us say save. So contract is disappeared. So everything you can customize as per your requirement. Hope it was a good session in terms of understanding of the menu section, how to change the section and how to add or how to modify a particular name as per your choice. So you can do that. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much.